Pag sumuko ka, talo ka na eh. Pag tumigil ka, talo ka na eh. Pag nag-stop ka, delayed ka na eh. But the thing is, pag tinuloy mo, you will learn how to embrace change. You will learn how to sell. If you have the humility and you stay in business long enough, soon enough, you'll be big enough. So the goal is to stay in business. A lot of you guys, gusto naming manalo, yes. But what's winning? Ano yung winning sa'yo? Makabenta, tas bukas magkikwit ka na? Or winning means you stay in business. So nakuha ko lahat ng meron ako ngayon because I stayed in business. Hindi ako sumuko, hindi ako tumigil. Not because I'm really good in selling, not because I'm really good in change or adaptability. Yung mga bagay na to na-develop ko na lang. At sineshare ko sa inyo para ma-develop nyo siya agad as soon as you can. So that you can build repetition right away. But the reality is for you to be able to apply all this, you have to stay in business. Kaya sabihin mo sa sarili mo, tuloy lang.